We have the real soup here, real Jamaican soup, home style soup.
As you travel around Jamaica, one thing you can expect to find in every parish, every town, every corner, and is a soup man. And 7 days a week, whether rain or shine, the soup man come out from 4 o'clock in the morning and the pot of soup start bubble. And there is nothing Jamaicans love more than a hot cup of soup.
Yeah, right now we there real soup, you know. See me virgin pot or ya. See me next lady in it. But see the real soup chef there. That's on the chef. This man are the real soup chef.
Street food is a very popular part of Jamaican culture, and whether you're in the mood for some jerk chicken, manish water soup, jerk pork, some roast yama, ackee and saltfish, whatever it is, you can always find it as you travel the streets of Jamaica. The aroma, the smoky flavors, the music, the vibe.
So how often you come here, sir? Often, man. Every time you go on the glass, I'm talk. For real? Me go water right there and there's some talk. Yes, I go to soup spot. Me good name to that too. Long time you know. See, good man, you know. Alright, bless up. Bless up.
6 days a week, Sheldon get his morning started at 4 a.m. to either get supplies at the local market in Sav or to get the soup pot bubbling so you can get your hot cup of soup every day.
So you want that one to mix?
Yeah, I want to mix, man.
See?
Yeah, beef with pigtail.
Yeah.
Those two soup are two wicked combination.
So which are we soup you have today now?
Well, I have beef, soup, I have cow skin with chicken foot, and I have pigtail. All three soup is good for the human consumption, especially men.
Oh, so that's why you come every day?
I have a special ingredient that I put in my soup that I get from Africa. I can't really disclose that type of...
Which is fair. Which is fair.
That is helpful to the men.
Yes.
So no, you don't have to take any Viagra, no Cialis.
Well, so when you pass 1 o'clock in gone?
Yeah, man, I'm going to spot this.
So you have to come soon then?
Yeah, I'm going to out soon, brother.
Alright, my boy.
So how many days a week you out?
Monday to Saturday. I start serving soup from 8:30 in the mornings to 12:30 in the days. That's when the customers really decide when I go.
Okay.
And every day, 12:30 is finished.
4 pots of soup every day, and as you blink it finish. So if you not come early, you're not getting none.
Where you get supplies? When I get it locally. But as I said before, my main season would come out of Africa. But locally, I get my stuff. Same place in Savlamar here, or on the market. Yes, at the market.
Okay.
And how long have you been doing this? Approximately 2.5 years. Okay.
Sheldon left his teaching job and has been making soup now for over 2.5 years. And since then, he has become one of the most popular soup man in Savlamar, Negril, and the surrounding areas.
I used to wear jacket and tie, man. Government job. Actually, I used to work at the share company from. I used to be assistant procurement manager. But even before that, I went to the schoolroom for a short time, maybe about 2 years. So really and truly, this is just... And then pension, get into a pension. So this is just a pastime for me. I just enjoy what I'm doing.
Sheldon loves to cook. You can taste the love and the passion in every sip of his soup. The idea of making soup actually came from his son, who wanted to leave his teaching job and make soup.
So I said to him, son, you're a young guy. I will do it for you as a passion, you know? When my time expires, I can come into it. You know, and I started doing 1 pet, so about 2 months, and the people crying for more. So he just sent me into 5 pots and 1 pot to 5. Right. You get 550, 400. It was a 6 and a 4, okay.
How long you think you want to do this for?
If I am in good health, like I am now, until I'm 70.
But if you drink up them good soup, you're in a good health for a while. I say them soup, you're good for the man, the man thing with the special ingredient.
Yeah, very good, very
man,
good.
them not have to take no bread on them something.
Very good. I am a 66-year-old, so I have 4 years.
How often you come out here?
Very often. This is my first time
This is your first time?
that I hear it's good and it's sold out right away.
4 o'clock. 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock in the morning. Every morning. Monday to Saturday. 4 a.m. exactly, and I'm up. Yeah. They might be in at about 9 o'clock in the night. After I finish at 12:30, I say go and shop and go home and cook.
Prepare for the next day.
Prepare for the next day. All right, cool.
If you're ever in the grill and in the mood for some amazing soup, take a drive to Landilo Sav. Get a hot cup of your favorite soup from Sheldon. But remember, get there early. People may warn you, if you don't reach early, this soup I go finish and you not go get none. Sheldon has customers that come every single day. Every day people come get the soup because the man said the soup is good for men and it is also good for women as well. So enjoy some Jamaican street food. Don't just stay in your hotel room. Be a visitor. Don't be a tourist. Be a part of the community. Meet the locals. Meet the backbone of the people behind Jamaica that make your vacation interesting.
The real soup, sir. The real soup. Real man soup. Real man soup. My customer here come every day. For the past 2.5 years.
Blessed love.
Get good real for the soup, you know what I'm saying? Real Mackay.
So when the man them drink their soup, your woman get pregnant and then kind of stuff.
Yes, man. They always want more. The woman always want more.
And always support locals once you're in Jamaica. That helps to boost the economy and help the small business people to strive and grow. In the meantime, if you can't be good, be careful. Jamaica uncut. Cut out.